Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Again today, we're back on Raphael still, and we're going to move on to making a custom grill for it. So I got some pretty different stamped steel for it. I think it's going to look really nice. So let's get over here and we'll do some CAD and get some cutting done. So let's get over and do it. Alright y'all, before we get into making that grill, I was helping my buddy Kenny. He needed a new clutch and driveline put in his tractor, and he was having a few issues with the old one, and so he brought the tractor over, and he came over and we put the whole new driveline in there. Only thing we didn't get done was the coupler, but he didn't have that, but it's in, it works, and yeah, so that's why this video might be a little short, but hey, gotta help a buddy out. So let's get over here on Raphael. Alright y'all, here's the material we're going to use for the grill. Originally I was going to have it running this way across the front of the grill, but the more I looked at it, if you look at these little pieces here, it almost makes an IH. So we're going to hack her down this way and this way. I got to cut it along this line here and this line here, and also I'll have to cut it down along or no, I'm not going to cut it along that side. I got to cut it along this side here, and we'll have to make a filler strip to go in it, but that's not a big deal. I'm going to use that as the bottom, this is the top, and then yeah, so let me get some stuff set up, and I'll get to cutting. Alright y'all, got this kind of clamped down, got the grinder. Let's see if we can cut this. Dead battery right off the start. Should have checked that. Bring you guys right back. Alright, fresh battery. Let's try this again. Alright, so now comes the fun part. Let me get this spun around, and I'm going to get a straight edge set up so we can cut this nice and straight. So y'all hang out, I'll be right back. Alright y'all, got this end clamped, and I didn't have a clamp big enough to get over here. So I just put a bolt through it and snugged her down good and tight. So let's see if we can get this thing cut now. or cut. Hopefully you guys didn't block you guys too bad. So now I'm going to take my cordless die grinder, clean that up. Well, first we got to cut across here. I got to make some measurements and see where I need to make the little tabs down here. So let me get that all measured out, figured out, and then we'll bring you guys back again. Alright y'all, got the straight edge all set up on here. I've got it clamped down, so let's see if we can't, I'm going to finish cutting in this way first, and then we'll split her across. So just enough grinding wheel. So alright, I got that. Now I'm going to take my little cordless die grinder, take off all the burrs, get everything cleaned up, and we'll do a little test fit here in a second. So I'm going to do that and bring you guys right back. Alright y'all, I don't know where I left off yesterday. I started sanding down this edge here because I got some, if you can see, little bumps sticking out there, but my battery in my sander went dead, and yeah, so I just hung it up for the night and went in, charged batteries. But today I'm gonna finish doing this, and then we need to cut some tabs over here on both ends so that they can slide into these little deals here, and that's where we'll attach the bottom at. So yeah, let me get this all cleaned up, and then we'll get set up to cut that stuff. Alright y'all, I got this all set up with a straight edge and a brand new disc, and hopefully a decent battery. So let's see if we can get this cut. I think I'm cutting into the edge of my table, but okay, one battery down. Let's grab another one. I just need to cut down, 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 and we should be ready to test fit her. Alright. Clean it up. Alright, got our tabs made on there, so let me get the camera swung around and we'll test fit this thing. Alright, y'all, let's see here if we made our tabs right. That one fits. And we got to clean this one down just a little bit. Yeah, gotta clean this one. Gotta thin this one down just a little bit so it'll go in. And I gotta take this one that way a little bit. So I'm gonna do that off camera and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all. Got those little tabs trimmed down a little bit. So get her slid in there. There we go. And now I just got to trim this tapers in, so I need to trim down. I'll probably cut here, right across there, and up across there. And if you notice, these aren't even, so it's going to look a little funky on this side because I'm going to just trim down along here, and same thing here, and then across. And hopefully it looks good enough. So yeah, let me get that trimmed and we'll slide her back in and see how she fits. And yes, there's a gap up here. I got a plan for that. I got some of this thin flat stock, and I'm gonna hopefully once I get that in there, I can measure and then hopefully put a 90 on this. Take it to work, put a 90 on it, and then we can weld these together. And here's our bolt holes to hold it together. So yeah, so all right, yeah, I'm gonna shut the camera off, get this cut up, and then we'll discuss what we're gonna do later on here. All right, y'all, got that kind of held in there with some clamps, but that's how it's gonna look. You guys nice kind of close-up look there. And I will be putting a couple of screws, like one here, there's a mounting hole here, and of course here and here. Both of those will get all four of those holes will get bolts in them, little machine screws. And then over here on the back side, where these tabs come through, I'm going to drill and put pins down through them, little hairpins, just to keep it from rattling and stuff. So yeah, it's late here, so I can't go get machine screws right now, so I'll do that first thing in the morning, and we'll get this thing finalized. So You guys have sweet dreams, and catch you in the morning. All right, y'all. I had some stuff come up, and I did not make it to the store today to get the bolts for the bolt that grill in, but I did get it all tack welded up and well, stitch welded across there. So we'll have to. I'll show you in the next video what it ended up looking like. But I got to get this video edited and up on the internet so you guys can watch it. So appreciate y'all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps the channel out. And hope you like this one. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Next one might be a pulling video. So keep your eyes open for that. So see y'all later.